guy just got hit by a car on this main road, and leg, blood coming out of his face. And then straight after he got hit by a car, he jumped into the sewage. The boys just went in there now. This dog, as you guys just seen, she's like really afraid. We're always thinking like she's gonna take a snip at us, you know. Every time we go to touch her, she's got those eyes and that nose, and you know, the mouth mimics and that just moves. So we've just given her an injection, we've just treated her, and nothing happened. So story with her is she got smashed by a Mini Cooper on the highway, and then she jumped in the stream and the boys went chasing her. So she had a broken leg, and yeah, we operated on her. It was a successful operation. Now she's got no life-threatening situations with her. It's a little bit swollen than the other one, so she's all right. And but she's just very afraid. So, which is understandable. We're trying to gain their trust. We're trying to do our best. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Keep doing this. Then maybe one day she might trust us.